Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John from Big John's Bully House. Come out here and get a little better video. Chico will show you guys. I know the first video we did, man, wasn't the best, man, but I wanted to get you know, give you guys a little preview of him. Boy is very short, very compact, and I mean, just crazy bully all the way around. The size of his head and the size of his neck is unreal.
Nope. Nope.
Chico, 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 Chico.
Like I'm sinking.
Yeah, he ain't. You don't know what's going on with the snow. It's soft on top, hard on bottom.
Come here.
A big reason that I like to have somebody helping me is when you get up close on the dog, man, it takes everything away from the dog. When you're up close, you can't see the actual size of the head, the neck. You can't see the size of the chest. And that's why I like to have people, you know, help me with the dog, so that way everybody that's viewing the videos can actually see the real size of the dog. Now when my partner comes back out here, I'll show you again the difference between really up close that takes away from your dog versus a distance away and you can really see the actual dog. Now this is the dog being out 15 feet, and you can actually see the size of the boy now. Anytime you do a video, you take pictures, man, and you're doing it up close, you're taking away from the dog, you're not showing the real dog. You're hurting yourself more than anything. And that's a lot of problems with the videos, with the puppies, because you have to be up close with the puppies. That's why, again, you know, I like to have people to help me out doing these videos. That way it shows somebody else holding the puppies and shows the actual size, the actual amount of bone and mass and girth, you know, substance. Go ahead and hold him, man, and that way we give everybody a visual.
Come on.
Only ball we could find for his head, man, right now is a little kick ball his kids play with. Kind of give a size comparison. Oh, monster. Chico. Good boy. Good boy. Go ahead and show you guys the puppies now. Show the update of them.
That's a boy.
Oh, monster. Oh, let's go see the babies. Okay, and here's 3 times Hooch, 5 times Dax. This is a week-old update. Little chocolate female here. This one here is a Chico clone. Little male right there. This one as well is a male. The white boy with champagne ears. I know, baby, hold on. Male's up top here. Females at the bottom.
Bulldozing my poor little one.
There will be 2 females and 3 males available. Like I've stated before, we are not taking deposits on none of the puppies yet. As soon as we make our pick, we will let everybody know what's available. Definitely going to be 3 males available. That's a guaranteed fact. As for the females, we haven't decided yet, and we have, you know, we're not going to decide yet at this young of an age which one we're keeping and which ones we're selling. But for everybody asking, price-wise, price is going to start at $2,500 and up, plus shipping. You can come pick your puppy up in person if that's what you want to do. Otherwise, shipping is available. We can do international shipping. It is a lot more expensive because the puppies have to have a flight nanny aboard the plane with them. That is the only way that we can get the puppies on planes now, is with the flight nanny. And you're looking up international flying, you're looking at upwards of $2,500 and up. 12-ounce Mountain Dew can next to the puppies at 1 week of age. This one here resembles Chanel and Hooch, the grandfather, a lot. Color-wise, Chanel's, you know, look-wise, white chest and everything. Body structure-wise, this boy here, if you guys do not know who Nasty Boy is, which is the grandfather as well to this litter, he is who I bred Little Miss Bossy to, as well as Chanel was bred to him. He is a 5 times DAC stud. This one here is literally a Chico clone through and through. The little dot on its eye, the markings on the face. That boy there's got a noggin on him.
Does he?
I want to give a huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old, all the likes, shares, followers, comments, all the love and support that we get. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 815-632-9073. As always, take care, God bless, stay safe.